Hello everyone, Elrigu Namaskara. Welcome to World Education Center. Today video is very important. Are you planning to study MBBS in abroad, but you started already feeling like this pandemic is going to ruin your MBBS dream? Then please do watch this video till the end, because I'm going to give you lots of solution which will actually take away your all the worries, tensions and insecurities. So let's get started. So why you have to apply MBBS abroad in this pandemic situation? So you all are preparing for your NEET and you're really not sure about whether you will be able to get good ranking in the NEET and you will be able to get through any Indian medical colleges. If you're in that confusion, definitely you will plan for MBBS abroad. That means you want to go to abroad countries and study MBBS. But in this pandemic situation, are you worried about how to take admission, whether the international borders are going to be open, or how will I travel to different countries? How will I make my visa? Then the answer is yes. See, whether it is a pandemic or a normal situation, once you go out of your house, you feel like everything is stopped for a while. Like your shops are closed. Shopping malls have closed, and there are so many things which is completely stopped functioning. But during this pandemic, there is one thing which is not stopped. That is education. This pandemic is given a new revolution to the education sector. Whatever is stopped in this world is paused for a while, but education has never been stopped. This online education has given a new revolution to global education sector, which help lakhs of students, millions of students to continue their education. Same thing will happen to MBBS abroad as well. So even if you apply for MBBS abroad for this 2021 intake, whether the international borders are open or not, whether your visa is going to happen or not, usually the students are going to reach the university by September. September is the intake. If you fail to reach the university by September, anyway the universities are going to start the online classes. As last year, this time there were a lot of confusion. What's going to happen with the classes, when the universities will reopen and when the situation will get normal. But this year, every university is already prepared in case if the pandemic is going on like this. Definitely you will start attending your classes by September without wasting any further time. So as and when the things get normals, we will make your visas, we will make your air ticket, and you will travel. So till then situation gets normal, your education is not going to be stopped. Your dream of becoming a doctor, your dream of going to abroad countries is going to be as normal and as possible it is used to be earlier. So now that when to take admission, the admissions have already started. From May 1st, most of the abroad universities like in Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, Philippines, everywhere, the applications have started. So you can start applying to the university right now. You don't have to wait for your 12th result. You don't have to wait for your NEET result. If you're confident that whenever the exam conducts, you will be able to pass with 50%. Whenever the NEET exam happens, you will be able to qualify in NEET with 150 marks. Then please do plan. The advantage of planning by now is going to be like, you can get whichever the university you want. You can apply to premium university, you can apply to scholarships, you can apply to free education. There are so many advantages of applying right now. So if you want to know more about how to apply and all that, please do contact World Education Center. We have an expert team. Like, we will help you in choosing the best university for you and best country for you. So once you done with selecting a university and country, now comes how to apply. Application is very simple. You're already ready with whichever the university you want to apply, whichever the country you want to apply. Application process is very simple. It can even happen through online. You just have to send us the basic documents like your 10th mark sheet, 11th mark sheet, your passport or Aadhaar card, and one passport size photograph, and there will be minimum registration charge which you have to pay for the application process. Then you're done. So just send all your documents through email. We will apply to the universities whichever you are selected, and you are going to apply in whichever the university you want, whichever the country you want, well in advance. This will help you choose the best universities. So don't worry whether it is a pandemic or the situation is very worst. Your dream of becoming a doctor, your dream of going to abroad countries and studying MBBS will never be due, and this is not going to shatter your dream of becoming a doctor in abroad medical universities. So hope this video helped you to come over some kind of insecurities whatever you had. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I'm going to keep updating so many informative videos like this, which is going to help you to choose best university in the world for MBBS education. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new informative topic. Until then, take care. If you have any questions, please do put it in the comment section so that I will definitely answer for you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Namaste.